Hi guys, I'm here with a new lesson in transformation of sentences. You know what this transformation is. There are actually three forms of sentences. One is affirmative, second one is interrogative, and third one is negative. So we are dealing with these three forms today, and I'm going to tell you how to change sentences from one form to another. Right? So let's look ahead what we have. First, let's look at simple present tense. You know, first of all, we need to understand the verb forms in various tenses. So in simple present tense, what is the verb form? Look at the sentence. They go for a walk every day. Now, we use subject and we use first form of verb. We use simple first form of verb with plural subject. If this is singular, then we will add es here, right? And that's it. For a walk every day, subject, that is object, and you can say the rest of the part. Now they go for a walk every day. This is affirmative sentence because this is a statement. Now let's go ahead. We will make it an interrogative sentence. So for making an interrogative sentence in simple present tense, what we use do or does. Okay, so wherever there is plural subject, we will make use of do. Wherever there is singular subject, we will make use of does for making it interrogative. So interrogative will be do they go for a walk every day, like this. Do they? So we have taken do and the rest remains the same. Do they go for a walk every day? If we have to change it into negative, then it will be they do not. We will add do not. They do not go for a walk every day, like this. Okay. So now we will look at other example. One more example where we will have singular subject. Here you see we are using do. Here also we are using do. Do they? They do not. Okay. Now we will take one example of singular subject. That is also simple present tense. She does her work meticulously. Meticulously means very carefully. Now she does her work. Let's look at it. She is singular subject. So we have added es with do. Right. For making it making it an interrogative sentence, we will use does she do her work meticulously. Does will come in the beginning. Does she and do. Do is the verb which is here. This es has been added here. So does she do her work meticulously? And for negative, she does not do her work meticulously. Right? So this is how we change simple present tense sentences into interrogative and negative from affirmative sentences. You can do vice versa. You can take a negative sentence. She does not do her work meticulously. So affirmative will be she does her work meticulously. We will remove this not to. If we have to change it into interrogative, does she do her work meticulously? We will remove not, and does will change its place. This is how you change these sentences. This is transformation. Now let's go ahead. Present continuous tense. Now what is the verb form in present continuous tense? Verb form is rm plus ing form. So is will come with singular subject, r will come with plural subject, m will come with I. Right? So the rest is same. Is ing form. Is rm plus ing form of verb. So Samir is writing a letter. This is affirmative sentence. If we change it into interrogative, we will take is in the beginning. Is Samir writing a letter? Look at this now. Is Samir writing a letter? And if we have to make it negative, very simple, Samir is not writing a letter. Okay, Samir is not writing a letter. So this is present continuous where we have singular subject. Now let's look at another example. Present continuous, we are posting videos. And here we have taken example of plural subject, we. So this verb has become are. It has become are. So we are, and then ing form, we are posting videos. Question will be interrogative, are we posting videos? Fine. And then if we make it negative, then again very simple, we are not posting videos. Okay, we are not posting videos. So this is present continuous tense. Now another example we can take with I. Present continuous I am baking a cake. Now am is used with I only. So this is simple, I am baking a cake, affirmative. For making it interrogative, am will come in the beginning. Am I baking a cake? And then for making it negative, I am not baking a cake. Right? So you can change from any form to any other form. Now let's take present perfect tense. What is the verb form in present perfect tense? Has or have plus third form of the verb. So has will come with singular subject, have will come with plural subject. Here in this example we have plural subject, they. They have completed their assignment. This is affirmative. Now for making it interrogative, what we'll do? We will take have in the beginning. Have they completed their assignment? Fine. Have they completed their assignment? And next will be negative. They have just not. They have not completed their assignment. We just introduce not here. They have not completed their assignment. Fine. This is present perfect. Now another example of present perfect. Sam has arrived. We have taken singular subject here. So with singular we use has. So this is affirmative. For interrogative, has Sam arrived? And negative will be Sam has not arrived. Clear? Let's look at another example. That is simple past tense. In simple past tense, the verb form is second form of verb with every kind of subject. So if it is went for they, for he also it will be went only. They went for a walk every day. So he went for a walk, she went for a walk, I went for a walk. Went will remain went only. Right? And for making a question, we will use did. And the went will, this form, second form will change into first form if we have to make a question. Question means interrogative. So did they go? This will become, for making a question, for making interrogative, did they go for a walk every day? Like this. So this went form, second form of verb, is only in affirmative. If it is a question, then it will become go. If it is negative, then also it will become go, because we will be using did, and did is already past, so we can't use double past. So we have taken did they go for a walk every day, and for negative, they did not go for a walk every day. Clear? This is what is important here, and you need to note down these things, these verb forms, and how they change. They did not go for a walk every day. Next, past continuous. What are the verb forms in past continuous? Was or were plus ing form. Now we are taking singular subject, Samir. Then we will use was. Had it been some plural subject, then it would have been were. Samir was writing a letter. So for making it interrogative, was Samir writing a letter? And negative will be very simple. Samir was not writing a letter. Was not writing a letter. That will become negative. Right? Now this is example of singular subject. Now let's take some other example of plural subject. The girls were throwing tantrums. So girls is plural. So here it is were. But this remains the same, throwing, ing form. Now if we make it interrogative, where will come in the beginning? Were the girls throwing tantrums? This is interrogative, and for making it negative, the girls were not throwing tantrums. Simple, just introduce not. The girls were not throwing tantrums. Okay, so this is very, very clear. There is not much change except bringing this helping verb here initially and then adding not. Past perfect tense. Let's see past perfect. The verb form in past perfect is had plus third form with all kinds of subjects, singular or plural. Had plus third form. So they had completed their assignment. Now what will be the interrogative form? Had they. Simply we put had initially. Had they completed their assignment? Okay. And for negative, they had not completed their assignment. Look at this example. They had not completed their assignment. This is past perfect. Had plus third form. So if you know the form, easily you can change it into negative and interrogative. Now next one, simple future. Simple future, will plus form, first form. They will go for a walk every day. We will, I will, she will, everything will take will and first form of the verb, go. They will go for a walk every day. For making a question, will come in the beginning. Will they go for a walk every day? Like this. Right. And if we have to make it negative, they will not go for a walk every day. They will not go for a walk every day. This is simple future. Right. Now we will go to next form, future continuous. The verb form will be plus ing form. Samir will be writing a letter. Any subject will take will be plus ing. Will be writing. Samir will be writing, boys will be writing, she will be writing, he will be writing. Right? So that shows the action will be in progress for some time. I mean, it will not be over at one point of time, but it will be in progress. Okay. Now if we have to make it interrogative, only will be taken initially. Will Samir be writing? This will be broken into two. Will Samir be writing a letter? Interrogative. And for making it negative, Samir will not be writing a letter. Here we will introduce not. Samir will not be writing a letter. This is future continuous tense. Will be in simple future will, and in future continuous will be plus ing form. Right? Now let's go ahead. Future perfect. Future perfect. What is the verb form? Will have completed. That is will have plus third form. So anything, any subject will take this form only. Will have plus third form. They will have completed, I will have completed, you will have completed, she will have completed. Right? So and for making a question, will they have completed? So only will come in the beginning. Will they have completed their work? Fine. And for making it negative, they will not have. They will not here not have completed their work. Negative. Now let's go ahead. I hope it's clear to you. Let's come to assignment. It's a very simple assignment of 10 sentences are given you. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to write down these sentences in your notebook and change them as directed. Also, in fact, also tell me the form they are in, because they have certain form. They are not in affirmative form, all of them, but they are in different forms. Now look at the example. We have not played. Now this is what, in which form? This is negative. Okay, negative form. You have to change it into affirmative, right? Next one, Moni helps her father. This is affirmative. We have to change it into negative. So you have to write the one sentence, then leave space for its answer. Okay, then you have to write second sentence, then leave space for its answer, and in fact write the answer. And this is how you copy. Mehak goes to school by bus. This, change it into interrogative. Okay, then he is studying for an exam. Change it into interrogative. Had all the offices closed at 5 p.m. Change it into negative. You can also tell their tense, not only the form but also tense. Which tense are they in? For example, Moni helps her father. Moni helps her father is simple present tense. Simple present tense and affirmative. These two things you tell about them. So next is, my friends were joking with you. Interrogative. Change it into interrogative. Then, we have not paid the debt. Change it into interrogative. Next, is she helping you in your work? Change it into negative. He worked with the material available with him. Change it into interrogative. Did she come for the party? Affirmative, right? And that's the end of it. And that's the end of the assignment. So I hope you enjoyed studying this. Give me your feedback, write to me and complete your work. Till then, enjoy till I give you the next lesson. Bye. Take care.